Guys, this type of video are taking over internet right now, and some of the video are gaining millions of views. And if you want a quick growth in this AI trend, then watch this full video. But first, take a look at this video which I made in just 2 minutes. Guys, first head over to this prompt link. Here you will find Master Interactive Hybrid Object Prompt Generator. This is a secret prompt because there is not a single video on YouTube like this. I have added different item in this and redesigned this prompt by myself. So now simply select this full prompt, and it has all the steps required for a video generation process. It means this process is semi-automated. Now copy this full prompt and head over to ChatGPT. Now watch this step carefully because this is the main base step of our video. Now here in the prompt section, paste your Master Interactive Hybrid Object Prompt Generator and wait for it to upload. Because this prompt is very long and highly detailed. Once it uploaded, hit enter. Now it will show you step 1, choose an object, and also provide you many car name ideas for your content. And don't worry, it will give different name every time. And also give instruction to choose one car by typing its number or name. Now just select anyone you like, or you can simply type your own car name that comes in your mind. Now let me randomly select any car and then hit enter. After that, it will tell you your selected car, and then it will show you step 2, choose an object B, and also provide you many animal name ideas for your content. And don't worry, it will give different name every time, and also give instruction to choose one animal by typing its number or name. Now just select anyone you like, and then it will start generating an fully mastered instruction video generation prompt for you with some few clicks. Now if you want to generate another prompt, then type again. So now let me show you a quick demo. Here I am typing again and hit enter. Now as you can see, it again go to step 1 and provide me different car name. Now I am selecting any random car from here. Now after that, it will ask me to choose object B, and let me choose randomly any animal. And again, it will generate a fully mastered video generation prompt for your new object choice. And for trust, I will show you both prompt result. Now here comes the important part of video generation. For this, simply copy your video generation prompt and then head over to Google Flow AI. It's a free tool from Google and also provide you daily 50 credits, which is enough to generate 3 video daily like this. But you have to follow my exact steps. For this, click on New Project. Then a window like this appear in front of you. Now here you will see many options, but you don't have to do anything with them. Simply click on this option and then you will see 2 sections, image and video. Here, select the video section. Now you will see many settings, but follow my exact setting to get perfect result. Now here, first change the ratio to 9:16 ratio, which is good for reels and short type content. After that, click on this option and now choose Omni Flash as your video model, which is perfect for this type of videos. Now here, this section is for video duration. Just select the 10 seconds. And then in this section, you have to choose the video quantity, means how many video you want to generate of same prompt. The quantity you put, the more credit it will use. But trust me, select this to 1, because it will generate perfect result in the very first time. Now after all of this, simply paste your video generation prompt here and then click on generate. And then Google Flow will start generating your video in just a minute. Now just watch the result of what we have created in this video. And subscribe me because I upload daily viral AI trend video tutorial on this channel. One more important thing to get the prompt link, drop a comment and I will share the prompt link. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want a video on any other topic, just drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.